In the field of medicine, chemistry has done too much. For example, whenever they do a blood or urine analysis, they use electrolysis to separate all the components of the mixture and see how much potassium or sodium you have. Any antibiotic you drink, it's a solution, so many people has tried with different elements to make different mixtures and see if it works or it doesn't, if it's good or it isn't. That is chemistry. Chemistry is involved everywhere in medicine. Now, let's continue with global warming.
Chemical scientists and researchers were continuously seeking solutions to global warming. They do this through the development of technologies and processes that are increasingly clean and efficient, or by generating products that contribute directly or indirectly to the reduction of emissions. Also, they are discovering new chemical reactions that may lower our dependence on organic solvents. Finding ways to sequester carbon dioxide is another goal, and it can be achieved with the help of chemistry.
And now, solution for global warming. We have the practical solutions at hand to dramatically reduce our carbon emissions, slow the pace of global warming, and pass on a healthier, safer world to future generations. Here's how we can help. First of all, we have to reduce emissions. In order to effectively address global warming, we must significantly reduce the amount of heat-trapping emissions we are putting into the atmosphere. As individuals, we can help by taking action to reduce our personal carbon emissions. But to fully address the threat of global warming, we must demand action from our elected leaders to support and implement a comprehensive set of climate solutions. And then there's stop for deforestation. Tropical deforestation accounts for about 10% of the world's heat-trapping emissions, equivalent to the annual tailpipe emissions of 600 million average US cars. Reducing the tropical deforestation can significantly lower global warming emissions and, together, with efforts to reduce emissions from fossil fuels, plays an integral role in a comprehensive long-term solution to global warming.
Chemistry is, nowadays, one of the most applied processes in food industries. The food suffers certain transformations or modifications for its own conservation, improving their properties. The process used in food industries constitute the most important part in life conditions and in the searching solutions that allows the preservation of food characteristics for long periods. Using appropriate procedures in chemical substances applications, just as cooling, freezing, pasteurization, drying, smoke, or chemical preservatives, etc. With the cooling method, we can prevent this from happening. This is the oxidation from an avocado. To cool out the food inhibits the bacteria to grow and, in consequence, to not putrefy.
Chemical warfare involves using the toxic properties of chemical substances as weapons, does not depend upon explosive force to achieve. A lethal agent is designed to injure or incapacitate the enemy. An agent can also be used against agriculture and livestock to provoke hunger. The most famous chemical weapon is the mustard gas, used in the World War One, but also is used in the Japanese army against China in the World War II. Thank you.
And we will see how godless a nation we have become.